Hello sports fans. This is George Sleepy Eyes here with the game of the day. And my partner Winning is here too. How do you think the game went today, Winning? I thought they played an amazing game. I was so excited the entire time. Cool. So do you think the players played their best today? They played a good clean match. No one was injured and no one was thrown out of the game. Today was a good game. I agree, Winning. Well, that's all for today. Check back tomorrow for tomorrow's game. Bye for now. Bye.